on myself. I am not putting paint on my... Don't put your penis near me. Hey! No, there was paint in that. I'm pregnant. There was paint in that. I don't know, Paul.
On August 15th, 2023, West Palm Beach, police responded to a call about a pregnant woman trespassing at a Publix store.
Yeah. I have a receipt. I have a receipt. I'm not rubbing paint on myself. I am not going to put paint on myself. I am not putting paint on myself.
Virginia claimed she returned to the store because her food had been stolen and repeatedly insisted she was not trespassing.
I already paid for that.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I'm not rubbing paint on myself. Get off me.
We are done.
No, get away from me. Hey, she stole my food first. She handed it to me. I do not want paint on me. Get off me. I do not want paint on me. She stole my food. She stole my food. That's why I walked back in. That's why I walked back in. She stole my food. That was paint. I'm pregnant. Get off me, please. Hey, she stole my food.
Yeah,
that was paint. I'm pregnant. Don't you touch me. Hey, she stole my food. That's why I walked back in. Hey, I'm pregnant. I am pregnant. You cannot pull a pregnant person. I walked back in. Get off me. Get your penis away from me. Get off me.
The situation escalated when she resisted the officers, insisting she was pregnant and making claims about her identity.
Hey, don't put your penis near me. Hey, I'm pregnant.
Stop moving. Turn
Sir,
around.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, sir. Sir, I'm pregnant. There was paint in that. No, there was paint in that. I'm pregnant. There was paint in that. There was paint in that. I am pregnant. I am pregnant. Ah! Murder, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I am pregnant. Hey, I'm pregnant. Wait.
Put your arm back where he can get
Wait,
you.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant.
Then stop resisting if you're
I'm pregnant.
Stop.
No. You're gonna murder me. Hey, I'm pregnant.
Stop now.
There was
Stop.
paint in that.
Stop.
Give me 1 second, officer. Officer, no.
Then you
Hey, help. I was pregnant. I was pregnant. There's paint in that, officer. No, you can't harm a pregnant person. Officer,
Stop pulling your hands out.
no, I was pregnant. That's paint. That's why I came back in. Officer, hang on 1 second, please.
No.
Stop.
Yes, you do. You need to hang on a second.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Stop.
No, you cannot harm a pregnant person. Excuse me. Excuse me, officer. I walked back in, officer. That's my money. You're harming me.
Stop. You're trying to pull out of the handcuffs. Stop it.
But I'm pregnant. You're trying to harm me. I'm having a heart attack. Officer, please. Please, officer, that's my money.
Don't poke yourself.
Officer, please.
Stop.
Please, I walked back in to get my... Officer, please, that was my food.
Come back to me.
Officer, please don't arrest me. Officer, please don't. You stole my money.
I was trying to use the least amount of force possible, and finally I was like, whatever.
Yeah. She's still trying to get out of the damn truck.
Yeah.
Stop. 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 You're not breaking out the door. Stop. 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 Wait at the door. More charges. Stop. Stop. We'll get you some medics, okay, if you need medics. But besides that...
Let me count this with you. 50, 100, 150, 200, 20, 30, 245, 250, 1, 2, 255. Good points. Go ahead. If she breaks my door, I'm going to lose it, dude.
More quarters?
No.
Just leave it. Still let me to hang out or what?
I don't know, dude.
Charlie 197.
Ah! Relax. Relax. Nobody's trying to talk to you right now. Relax.
This is garbage.
Officer, can I say something?
What? What?
Officer, listen to me, please.
I'm
Officer.
listening. What?
Please, I'm pregnant. Please don't arrest me. Listen.
Listen, you were trespassed from here. When I wanted to come outside and talk to you, you started.
Listen, the other officer, sir, please. The other officer told me that he would hand me my bags back.
No, I saw you go inside the store. No.
I know, officer. The manager let me use the restroom.
What's your name?
The manager let
What's
me
your
use
name?
the restroom.
What's your name?
I'm pregnant, officer, please.
Do you need medics?
No, sir, please.
No? Okay.
Officer, I'm pregnant, please.
Okay.
It's SPF. There was paint in the other one.
Okay.
Talk to the manager, please, officer, please, officer.
No.
I'm leaving. I'm going to home. Officer, the money was from my phone, from Paul Roper.
Listen. You're keeping your money. It's $255.
But
That money's.
officer, that was from Paul Roper. He offered it to me.
Okay, well that money is yours.
Okay,
Listen to me,
officer,
Virginia.
please,
Virginia.
the
The money stays with
Please,
you.
officer, please speak with the main, please speak with the guy in there, the manager. Please, officer, please.
The manager's the one that called us.
The manager. Officer, please. Officer, speak with the manager. Can you please speak with the
Central
manager?
office.
Please, I'm
Female
pregnant.
15, 51 to booking. Starting is 497.
Please speak with the manager. What are you doing? Officer, please. The manager let me back in. He said, but you can't use the restroom without the bathroom. Listen, the other officer told me when Paul Roper gave me the money, when he handed me the money, he said, get your phone, get your train, and get out of here. He said, you okay? Well, here the other officer handed me the bag. Officer, please don't put me in jail pregnant. Please, officer. Officer, I'm not a hooker. Please, officer. Please, I'm begging you. I'm extremely sorry. Talk to the manager, please.
Listen, if you're so sorry, why were you fighting me when I was trying to talk to you?
I was communicating with the other officer.
No.
The manager let me back in.
No.
Officer, please. That was my old sunscreen.
No.
Officer, please.
No.
Officer, please. I do
try
not want to
fast
go in here in jail. Officer, no.
97
I'm
booking, that means the same.
pregnant.
Do you need medics?
No, sir, I do not. I was leaving the premises. I've already spoken to the officer and the manager. He was letting me use the restroom barefoot or not. The other officer was handing me my things.
Okay. Stop kicking my door. Stop.
I'm
Stop.
pregnant. I have to leave the premises.
Stop
officer.
kicking my door.
Officer, I was told to leave the premises by the other officer. But when I walked in...
Virginia, do you know what year it is right now?
Yes, we're in 3000, sir.
You're in 3000? Who's the president of the United States?
Joe Biden.
Okay. What city are you in?
I'm in West Palm Beach City area, please.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, officer, but the...
Virginia, when's your birthday?
Officer, please, I'm pregnant. I'm not a clone, okay? Officer, please, listen.
Camera's on.
Listen to me. I was told to leave the premises by the blonde-haired officer
Yes.
also.
And then I saw you walk away, and then they called you again. And then when I pulled up to Publix, I saw you walk inside the store after we just told you not to go in 2 hours earlier.
No, that's not my ID. Even Lorraine admitted she took a picture like that.
That's not you?
That's the one Lorraine tried to take and fraud on.
That looks like you.
No, that's the one Lorraine admitted she frauded on.
Okay.
Officer, please let me leave and remove myself, please, officer. I'm pregnant, officer.
Okay.
But officer, the other officer told me the manager said to use the bathroom.
No, definitely. Appreciate your help, Johnny. I thought it was Ray at first, and I saw you, and I was like, oh, my.
I didn't know she slipped the cup out.
I didn't either, dude.
She just constantly slipping.
I had that thing like wrenched tight too.
Yeah, she...
But officer, I was told, please, officer, I was told by the manager that I could use the restroom. That was my old SPF, okay? You understand me? And what you need to understand about that, yeah? But officer, I'm pregnant and I need to remove myself from the premises.
Okay, come on.
Officer, the manager
Virginia, let's go.
allowed me to use
I'm
the
done.
restroom.
Let's go. I'm done talking. Let's go.
What do you mean? You pummeled me as pregnant.
No, I didn't pummel you.
Yes, you did, and I'm not a clone. And that SPF had paint in it. The other one had paint in it.
Yes, I know.
It had paint in it,
It
officer.
had paint in it?
Yes, it did. That was money Paul Roper gave me. What are you doing to me? I am not a clone. But are you going to try to bring me as a presidency
No,
kid?
no.
I'm pregnant?
No, I would never do such a
What are
thing.
you doing? I don't have money for bail.
Here you go, Virginia, right in here.
What are you doing?
Here we go.
What are you doing to me? I was pregnant. What are you doing? Officer!
Camera's on. Hey, Virginia.
Johnny Porno.
Oh, you put me in front.
I don't know Paul. I don't know Paul.
Okay,
She's at
that's
the
fine.
park.
Let's go, Virginia. Come on.
Your hooker's at the park.
My hooker's at the park? Okay.
Paul's hooker is at the park from Cypress Villas.
We're to keep you safe. Come on.
No, I mean, Paul's hooker is at Cypress Villas. She was at Cypress Villas. Listen, I don't know Paul. Yes, she's a hooker.
Who's a hooker?
I mean, she's got pink red hair and she's at the park. She's got pink red hair and she's at the park. She's got pink red hair and she's white skinned and she's not military. She's not military.
She's not military?
No, she isn't. No, I mean she's a hooker from Cypress
I
Villas.
gotta put these cuffs in the back, okay?
Oh, okay, but I'm pregnant. I'm supposed to stay away from Alvaro. And the guy told me that I could use the restroom, your manager, and they said get out of town. Your other officer did, and I don't know her with her blonde hair. She fed me, and then your lieutenant was looking at me funny. What are you doing?
Yeah,
I don't have to go to Looney Bin.
no, you're not going to Looney Bin.
Why the hell am I going out?
You're going to county jail because you didn't leave the property.
But
And then when I tried to talk to you, you were like, nope, not having it.
But I'm trying to explain I'm not even in my own clothes. These are someone else's.
It's okay. You'll be fine. These aren't my clothes either. These clothes are owned by the city, so everything I wear is owned by the city.
Okay, but I literally am related to George Bush.
You are?
Yes, sir, the O'Neillys, but I'm a Sullivan.
You're a Sullivan?
Yes,
Virginia Sullivan, January 28th, 1985.
No, but I have a Jessica name also.
Virginia Lee.
But I have a clone.
You have a clone?
Yes, a Gordon.
Okay, come back, sweetie.
Oh, okay, well, where are you taking me?
We're going to Palm Beach County Jail.
Why are you taking me from one Palm Beach County to another?
Well, this is the city, technically. This isn't really a jail, it's just a holding facility to allow us to the paperwork so that we can take you to the actual holding facility. Does that make sense?
What are you
If it doesn't,
doing?
I'll explain to you on the way. All right? Watch your knee, sweetie.
Can't I go to mental health?
Steve!
You're transporting me to jail?
1012 with my female, 1551 to county, starting is 497.
What are you doing? I mean, like, I look like the other girl. What are you taking me to county jail for?
For trespassing and resisting arrest.
But the officer handed it back to me, and the guy that owns that Publix said I can use a restroom.
Okay.
I purchased that food with my money.
Okay.
It was old money and it was old food.
Well, you weren't supposed to be, on the property. We told you that 2 hours earlier.
2 hours earlier?
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't there for 2 hours. What do you mean 2 hours? I'm not the same girl as Paul's girlfriend that had sex with her in Cypress Villas. That's not me.
Yeah, I'll turn the air on for you. I'm sorry about that.
Where are you putting me? I don't have money for this.
Can you feel the air back there, Virginia?
What for? What are you doing? I mean, you let Nicole, like, get away with this? Knowing that I'm related to a presidency? And you're trafficking me somewhere. Why did she cut my hair like this? My hair looks ridiculous. What did she do to my hair? She cut my hair. It looks stupid. Nicole did. Nicole cut my hair. Nicole cut my hair. Nicole cut my hair. Nicole cut my hair. It looks ridiculous. What are you doing? You're taking her to a precinct. Nicole cut my hair. Yeah, Nicole did cut my hair. What did you do to me? Nicole cut my hair. Why you can't do that? What are you doing? Nicole cut my hair.
Trespassing and resisting arrest. Bail is $1,000.